Welcome back to Liga Abhyas. In this video, we will discuss part 1 of the Constitution, which consists 4 articles and it deals with union and its territories. Article 1 states the name of the country, India, that is Bharat. This is because the Constituent Assembly could not decide a single name for the country, so they decided both India as a modern name and Bharat as a traditional one. Unlike USA, India is described as Union of States rather than Federation of States. Although the Indian Constitution is a federal constitution. Along with this, Article 1 also classifies the territories in 3 types: states, union territories, and the territories may be acquired in future. Article 2 deals with the admission and establishment of new states which were already not the part of Indian territory. Whereas Article 3 deals with the readjustment of internal states. It gives power to Parliament to reorganize the states or the readjustment of internal states. The Parliament has power to separate or unite 2 or more states, and it has also the power to alter, increase or diminish the boundaries of the states and the alteration of name of the states. Hence, the Indian Union is indestructible union with destructible states, and the Indian Constitution is all called as a federal constitution with unitary bias or quasi-federal. Lastly, Article 4 states that the laws made under Articles 2 and 3 shall not be considered as amendment under Article 368. Even though the first and fourth schedule were amended, which deals with the lists of state and the seats allocated in Rajya Sabha. This clearly states that the laws which are made under Article 2 and 3 are made with simple majority and ordinary legislative process.